If you run a solar panel supply and installation company and want to see a way to generate more inquiries, then this video is just for you. Regardless of the marketing strategies you currently run that may or may not be working for you, you know that high quality, interested leads are the lifeblood of your business. The more leads that come in, the more you can convert, and ultimately, the more money you generate. You might even notice that some of your competitors seem to keep generating more and more leads, and you might not understand why, yet. The ultimate lead generation tool across all industries on social media, but especially for localized companies, is video. Yes, a video just like this, and a video like many of the others you'll find on our page. A video presented on your behalf in a professional green screen studio where all of the work is done for you. We've worked with hundreds of companies across the UK to develop an awesome blueprint video that we can present on your behalf. Brand the video to your company with your logo and contact details on screen, and we even take care of the script writing process too. With our comprehensive packages, our team will write your script based on your company, such as the services you offer and the regions that you cover, as well as why your prospects should get in touch with you and not your competition. All of this is completed within 2 to 3 weeks, with a final HD video provided to you to upload to your Facebook, Instagram, your website, well, anywhere you want to upload it that your prospects can see. But we go even further than other production companies. We use our SEO skill set to ensure your new video is ranked at the top of the search results for your local key term, such as Best Solar Panel Company Manchester, ensuring you generate a flood of inquiries from these top page rankings. That's it, there's no catches. You get a fully personalised and branded spokesperson video, top page search rankings for your chosen keywords, ready for you to share and boost with localised advertising, helping you get your brand out to your ideal audience and start generating more inquiries through social media. So, when you're ready to invest in the growth of your marketing to get a professional video completely done for you, contact us and let's chat further. We can't wait to help take your company to the next level and showcase the dramatic results that a well-placed social media plan and powerful video can do for your business too. Chat to you soon.